That historic home label everyone brags about, it can actually hurt your sale price. On the surface, it sounds like a win. Stone farmhouse, original details, historic designation. It feels premium. But here's what most sellers don't realize. That designation comes with rules. And those rules don't just affect you, they affect every buyer looking at your home. Now think about today's buyer. They want the updated kitchens, the modern systems, energy efficiency, smart home features. And with a lot of historic homes, they can't just do that because now they're going to need approvals, specific materials, and sometimes permission just to replace a window. So what happens? Your buyer pool shrinks fast. Most people don't want the headache. And the ones who are willing to deal with it, they expect a discount because they know what they're getting into. Now let's talk money. Renovating a normal house? Expensive. Renovating a historic home? Now you're paying for specialty materials, specialty contractors, and way more time. So buyers factor that in immediately, which means your price gets adjusted before you even negotiate. And here's the part no one wants to say out loud. Some of these homes don't appraise where sellers think they should because the appraiser's looking at what can this house actually become? And if the answer is not much without jumping through hoops, that's going to affect value. Historic charm can attract buyers, but the restrictions behind it can quietly push your price down. To learn more, go to sellrealestatapa.com.